In our cosmic corner of the universe, there are roughly 100 billion Earth-like planets. And if life really does arise on planets the way it did here, statistically speaking, we shouldn't be alone. So where is everybody? This is the Great Silence. There are billions of stars and billions of planets. Statistically, life should exist somewhere else. Yet the universe is silent. It's an apparent contradiction that has puzzled humanity for centuries. If the universe is so vast and old, why haven't we found any aliens yet? One possible answer is that despite the vastness of space, life is actually quite rare. Maybe Earth is some kind of special. Maybe the conditions that led to our existence just don't exist elsewhere in the universe. Or maybe they do exist elsewhere, but life still hasn't arisen on any other planets, or at least not life as we understand it. Another possibility is that civilizations may not last long enough to meet each other. Even if life is common in the universe, if civilizations typically die out before they become intergalactic, then we could be truly alone in this galaxy. Perhaps all those science fiction visions of galactic empires are just that, science fiction. But if we aren't alone, we just don't know it yet. Or maybe we're missing something else, like how to listen. Scientists searching for extraterrestrial intelligence used radio telescopes to listen for signals from distant civilizations. But what if those civilizations aren't broadcasting their presence? What if they're hiding? Maybe there are so few civilizations out there that they're actively trying to avoid being detected, either because they want to preserve their natural resources or because they're afraid of what some more advanced civilization might do if it finds them. To learn more about this apparent contradiction between the age and size of the universe and our apparent isolation, we reached out to some experts. Listen in as they untangle the cosmic string. The universe is vast. It's also very, very old. The most conservative estimates suggest that it's around 13.8 billion years old. Given the size of the universe and the amount of time that's passed since it formed, it seems highly unlikely that Earth is the only place where life has emerged. But we haven't found any definitive proof of life elsewhere yet. In fact, we haven't even found definitive proof of any planets that could support life. But that doesn't mean that there isn't life out there, says one researcher. We just haven't found it yet. The fact that we haven't found any evidence of life elsewhere could mean one of three things. Life may be extremely rare in the universe. It could be common, but civilizations destroy themselves before they get a chance to explore the galaxy. Or it could be common, but civilizations are just not broadcasting their presence. As for why civilizations might do that, one possibility is the idea of the zoo hypothesis. The zoo hypothesis says that advanced civilizations may choose to hide from less advanced civilizations to prevent their own extinction. Think about it. If someone landed on Earth 10,000 years ago, they would have seen human beings and all of our primitive technology. They would also have seen domesticated animals and a relatively small number of large predators. Now imagine what would have happened if that civilization had introduced any of its germs to Earth. Smallpox, for example, would have devastated human populations with no resistance. Even if they meant well, advanced humans would have been too much for early humans to handle. Therefore, advanced civilizations may choose to stay hidden from less advanced ones to protect them from themselves. It's easy to see how this could play out over billions of years across a galaxy. Civilizations that develop the ability to travel between stars might choose to stay in their own solar systems, keeping watch over their home planets and preventing anyone from landing on Earth until we're ready. That doesn't mean that we're ready now, but that we will be. If you like optimistic science and tech stories, make sure to subscribe for more. Until next time, this is 1 minute. See you then.